My smoke detector only chirps when no one is home. The app logs every time. 3-bedroom townhouse. Outside Chicago. Bought it last fall. New construction. Wired alarms. Connected to a phone app. I noticed the chirps last winter. Always during work. Never on weekends. I work 9 to 5. 8 miles from home. Detector in the hallway. Detector in the master bedroom. Always those two. I checked the batteries. Brand new. No smoke detected ever. Set up a phone camera on the dresser before work last Monday. Reviewed the footage that night. Chirp at 11:17 a.m. The bedroom door was closed when I left. In the video it slowly opened. Something walked past the camera. Tall. Out of focus. Did not look at it. The chirp stopped last week. Now the app says someone is home when I am not.